So sabi daw niya dyan, admin abuse will be begin soon. Please, wag mo muna ilabas. Nabasa na ako dito. I don't meet tonight. We get cook the pet owl. So, ito, guys. No admin event. Disco sound is not good, tacos. Candle, please. Don't cook the freaking owl. First admin with 20 minutes. Maya matutulog na ako mamaya guys. Wait a second. A second daw. Tapos na yung second. Minutes na. Something calling me. God. I know this. Funny. Feel funny. Admin abuse. Please. Please magsabi ka ng Tagalog. Muaha. Abuse. Rebel one. Don't. Starting with Ember Lily. Oh my God! Totoo! Sunod. Please, Kakao. Kakao. Use forever. Ito na. Layo pa ng kakao. Layo kasi ng kakao. Also cook melon pea. Melon pea. Melon daw eh. Watermelon lang naman meron. Dalawa na Ever Lily ko. Please stock job up some of you. Job apo Stuck. Please, kakao. Jandel, I want kakao. Please, no! Is bad. Baka makita ko ulit si ano, no? Gusto ko ulit may... Ay, ui-ai! Ui-ai!